What's going on, guys? Well, today we are going to be replacing the cabin air filter in my 2025 Toyota Sequoia. This goes from 22 to 26 and it applies to all the new Tundras. It's going to be the same thing pretty much. Got a brand new Toyota filter. I'll give you the part number here in a second on that. But what you're going to do is come over to the glove box, take everything out. Take this tray out. Now we're going to lift up on the right side of it, and then we're going to pull it out like that. All right, you can see it has these little feet and everything. Now we're going to take this door off that you have right here. Get this clip, push it in, pull towards you, and take this whole door right off. Now we need to remove this door here. Okay, notice this says up. This is just so when you put it back, it reads up. All right. Now you have these clips right here. They are kind of tricky to get to. You need to squeeze them to release the right side of this door. You don't need to do it on the left side. So we're going to squeeze, okay, and pull it towards you. Now the left side is just pushed in with these little tabs. Okay, see that right here, this. Now we can pull out the retainer for the cabin filter. Alright, so here's the retainer. Notice this says up also. This is so when you put it back, you can put it back the correct way. Now my filter, my truck only has like 1,000 miles on it, so the filter is not that dirty. What we're going to do is just take it out of here, like this, and come on, one-handed. Okay. And we're going to reuse this part here. Now notice this filter says up. This is just for factory filters, okay? If you get an aftermarket filter, it won't say up. You'll notice that it usually says airflow direction, okay? The airflow direction is not up, okay? If you use an aftermarket filter, the airflow direction is down, okay? Everything's always being sucked down into the filter. Everything's being trapped on top, all right? So if we go and get our brand new filter, I'm not even going to replace this today, but because they are pretty much, this one's a little browner. I mean, it's like 1,000 miles and it's a little bit browner, but I still got at least, I'll go over the maintenance schedule here, at least another oil change before I want to replace it, at least. But go ahead and stick this back in here. And real quickly before we go back in, let's go over the maintenance schedule, because you're probably asking when this needs to be done. All right, so you should have one of these in your truck, and it gives you the schedule. It's actually pretty good. All right, so every 5,000 miles, this cabin filter. At 30,000 miles, it says replace. So it should say at 60,000 miles, replace. So every 30,000 miles, we're going to replace the cabin air filter. If you didn't know that, it's all in this book. This book has everything in it as far as your maintenance goes, okay? Like if you want to learn how to do your, or know when to do your hybrid battery cooling fan filters, schedule is in here too. I have a video on that if you want to check that out. Okay, so here's our part number for our OEM filter. I'll have this in the description box also. But if you want to upgrade your cabin filter, I have links that take you to Amazon where you can pick up some upgraded filters. What I mean by upgraded is they have activated charcoal impregnated in the filter. This helps with odor, okay? These really don't do much for odor. They pretty much just filter out dust and dirt. The ones that have activated charcoal in it, they're a lot heavier, and they do a great job of keeping your car smelling better. So if you're interested in that, there'll be a link down in the description box for that. So once you get your filter all set up, ready, in here, gotta get my light where it's pointed the right way. This is not a very fun place to record. Put this in, make sure it goes in all the way, again, up. This is just for installation. Door, left side in first, up. Should just go right back in. We can snap it back in like that. Make sure we're all sealed up and good. We're gonna get our glove box piece. Left side in first. You can see these feet, they go in here like this. We just push it around, lock it in. And your tray. Left side first. Get these feet in here. Push it together. Push it down. And we're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment. Again, if you want to get a filter, there's all kinds of information down in the description box. And if you want to see some more Toyota content, hit subscribe, and I hope to see you guys later.